Extremely colorful, spades of intelligence, friendly and loaded with personality. And no, I am not saying that they have multiple person disorder, or well, multiple bird disorder. But yeah, sometimes I get a feeling that they do. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit that like, share and subscribe button, as it does help the channel to grow. Sun conures are bold in both appearance and personality, but yeah, are definitely known for their vocals, which can be extremely loud at times. The sun conure is one of the most popular conures due to its size and stunning plumage. Sun conures are lively, vocal and expressive. This bird is best known for its beauty and, well, to put it simply, big mouth. These colorful big mouths can live 15 to 25 years with proper nutrition and exercise. Sun conures are found mainly in inland tropical habitats. They usually inhabit fruiting trees and palm groves and are native to South America. In the wild, sun conures primarily feast on fruits, nuts and seeds. In captivity, they do best on a well-balanced, formulated pellet and supplemented with vegetables. The topic of diet will be addressed in a future video, as there is quite a bit to discuss under this topic. Sun conures are not known for their talking ability, which does not mean they cannot talk, because trust me, they definitely can. But they are rather known for their uncanny ability to mimic other types of sounds, like car alarms. Sun conures should be provided with an enriched environment with plenty of opportunities to play and forage to keep them from getting bored. Plucking is a huge issue that can stem from boredom. Although plucking can be caused by medical reasons, more often than not, plucking is a sign of a bird's boredom or is not receiving the attention that it needs. Sun conures in small cages are prone to obesity, and in my opinion, a minimum cage size for a pair of sun conures should be 1.2 meters long and 60 centimeters square. The sun conures mature at around 2 years old, and adding a nest box for breeding can be a good idea. The ideal nest box should be 60 centimeters high and 25 centimeters square. They usually lay a cloth size of 2 to 4 eggs, and incubation is around 22 days. Well guys, that is all I have for you today. Leave it in the tile section down below. Do you think sun conures are the most noisy of all the birds?